5a. Aims of the League of Nations: to achieve international peace and security, to encourage nations to settle disputes peacefully, to take action against aggressors, to reduce armament, to improve the working and living conditions of the people, to supervise people territories of the Central Powers. Main organs of the League of Nations: the Assembly, the Council, the Secretariat, the Permanent Court of International Justice, the International Labour Office. Specialized commissions and committees. C. Functions of the League's Assembly: to control the budget of the organization, to admit new members, to appoint non-permanent members to the League of Nations Council, to review the various treaties, to supervise the work of League of Nations Council, appointing judges of the Permanent Court of International Justice, approving the appointment of the Secretary General, amendment of the Covenant. Question 6a. Achievements of the League of Nations: the Permanent Court of International Justice settled cases fairly. The League administered trust territories successfully. It focused the world attention on the need to protect minorities. It settled a number of international disputes, for example, between Turkey and Iraq over the Mosul province, that is between 1925 and 1926. It restored financial stability in Austria during the economic depression. It encouraged disarmament. It fostered continental cooperation in socio-economic issues. Failures of the League of Nations. In 1931, the Japanese defied the League by invading Manchuria in China. In 1935, Benito Mussolini invaded Ethiopia and pulled out of the League. Germany violated the Treaty of Versailles with impunity. Nations continue to sign secret treaties in violation of the League of Nations terms. Why the League of Nations failed? Many countries associated the League with the Allied powers and considered it partisan. The rejection of the League by the USA made it weak. The League was not supported by many powerful countries until much later, for example, Germany, Russia, and Japan. The Conference of Ambassadors interfered with the work of the League. Nationalism preoccupied nations. The League suffered from the inadequate funds. The appeasement policy practiced by Britain and France encouraged Germany and Italy to show aggression against others. The League lacked a military wing to enforce its decisions. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.